Greetings, everybody, and a happy Sunday to y'all. I did not get some music ready. Hold on. Probably go down the same. Hey, look, Yoshi music to relax. Let's go with that one. Sure, why not? Follow our typical trends. Yeah, so today, turn it down just a little bit. Rather have that be more in the background. Ooh, pardon me. Today I'm sort of resuming work on that Bomberman. Hey, Raina, what's up? That Bomberman clone that I was working on a while ago. I don't have the code for that though, so we're kind of starting fresh. Jeez, I'm still coughing. Basically, what I want to do today is I want to try to make a level editor, which is not something I've really done before, other than like internal tooling that I've built for previous projects. Actually, you know what? Better than adjusting that for just chat. Let me adjust that to both of us. It's a little bit loud. Maybe a little too much. There we go. So my first thoughts there are, let's go ahead and pardon me. Let's go ahead and cough horribly. We're gonna go ahead and get a schema set up so that we have something to work off of that we can load in a new level with. Make a folder for this. So I'm gonna make a class called level data. This does not need to be a mono behavior because we're actually gonna be reading this in from a file. This is strictly just gonna be a data object. Jeez, man. And yeah, so we're gonna need some enums here. So let's go ahead and make more files, more classes. What do I want to call this? Rather than just make one big enum file, I think, yeah, we're gonna go with block type. I don't know. That's a weird word because it's like a general term for like like all blocks. Well, we can always rename it, right? This likewise is just going to be strictly data. Actually, even less than that, it's just going to be an enum. And this will have all the data in here. I don't know if we want like nothing to be a block. Maybe that'll work as our eraser when we're working on like the actual editor that you're using. Sorry about your lungs, Goon. Yeah, sorry. It's fucking... It's been this way since like right after Christmas. It's terrible. It's apparently unbeknownst to me, my dad had a cold that he was still getting over, and now I'm just stuck being sick. It's wonderful. How kind of gonna pass it along? I know, right? Let's go with we'll make two different floor blocks. Why not? Also, I don't really need to be setting these values explicitly, but whatever. We'll do it. Let's make one of each of these. I think eventually, like, for different, like, color palettes, I would just make, like, a different type in here. I guess if I want to keep them grouped value-wise, I could Hmm. That's a tricky one. I'm thinking, like, what I could do ahead of time is just be like, okay, well, floors will be like 0 through 10 or something. A jump pickup so you can jump over the bomb to unstuck yourself? No, absolutely not. But yeah, that's actually a good point, though, in the way this will work out, is eventually we'll have, like, this could be like a pickup, or whatever. In fact, yeah, let's do that, too. Fire, power, up. Bomb, up. Curse. That's a good prototype. We can always add to this later. The thing I was mainly mulling over is like, if I want to add to these, it would be really nice if I could add the floors. But you know what? I think the way we'll handle that later is, like, if there's really a lot of tiles to go through, the best way to do it would be to put in, group these. Like, have a secondary, like, class that keeps track of, like, the groupings. Cool. So we'll start from there. What's curse? You know, like in Bomberman, there's like the negative effects that can pop up. I mean, usually those only come out of walls, but I don't know. For the sake of... I mean, this probably isn't even like a finalized list either. This is just like proof of concept stuff. But they're like curses that can like power down your bomb length. They're like make it so you can't stop laying bombs in the regular Bomberman. I have no plans of what I would actually make this do, but... Or if I'll even have that feature in my game, but... That is what this placeholder came from. So, level data... Oh yeah, also that too. Those would also just be additional things in there. I think for now, I'm not even gonna like really try to recreate too many features of the game because we have some of those created per my previous streams. But that's on another computer, so I'm working off a new project. And I just want to get like the level creator part working tonight. We can obviously update it later. So now I want background list. Oh, absolutely, that too. But in terms of like getting the baseline put together, making it a one-to-one clone is the easiest way to go. But yeah, I mean, I know I keep saying Bomberman clone. I don't want to just make Bomberman. Like, that would be lame. I don't know. But it is a framework that I can work off of to get the basics down right, and then make my own thing out of it. Invert controls. That's actually one that already exists in Bomberman. And one of the Super Nintendo ones. Also, I don't know if that pop-up was driving anyone crazy. Oh yeah, you guys can't really see this. I mean, it's maybe too big, but I don't know. Maybe not no background. There we go. Those are your 3 background choices. How's that a curse? Endless twerking mode. Shake your booty. It's leveling up. You right, you right. Alright, background list. Song list. This might be too big. I'd rather have it be too big and then, like, you guys can actually read it than, like, you have no idea what the fuck I'm doing, because I'm just, like, doing whatever. Here's where none is actually a good option. Very creative, I know. When I have music to actually put in, maybe that'll be, not just song 1, song 2. Or maybe it won't, maybe it'll be the same. We'll see. Okay. I didn't actually put any of that together. So, the level data, this is gonna have a... A song. It'll have... I don't, I guess let's do a little test. Do I have LinkPad installed on here? Sure, flip and do. Wait, no, this won't help me. Because I need to actually use the deserializer to test this. This might be better. Yeah, let's... Oh, you know what, actually? Let's just call this song. The file can be called songless, though. I'm fine with that. And then same with this one. This should be... Now, my thoughts here are like, we could just have an array of blocks, and oh wait, no, we'll need one more data class. We'll need like a tile info, so it'll have the block data and where it goes. I'm gonna do this on a grid, so we'll just have an X and Y, and a Z, I guess, as well. This is a 3D game. I could make it, maybe I should only worry about X and Y right now, or well, X and Z right now. We'll put all 3 in there, fuck it. Because it could be a 3D game where the level you're making is still 2-dimensional, but... I don't know. Oh, and then basically, I'm thinking we just basically have a an array of this. And then, then we have our generator. This isn't quite right. What we should do instead is pass in a level data, or a level data parameter, and have a method that we call to actually generate the level. But this does need another thing, which I need to create. Tile prefab lookup, we'll call it. And I'm going to call it the tile dictionary just to make things more confusing. And this is just going to be an array. Actually, wait, fuck that. Oh, shoot. How do I organize this? So, like, we want a... Yeah, this is going to be a mono behavior, so that's right. I'm losing focus on what I'm supposed to be doing. Okay, yeah, so we want to take a, like a listing that we're going to, not hard code, but like set up, basically, that will be, oh, I need, damn it, I need one more type. I guess I could create the type in here. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. Which this will just be like a list. It's just gonna be like two things. It's gonna be a shoot. Prefab? Is that what I'm looking for? Or is it just a game object? Well, one second, I'll figure that out. But the other thing I need is the tile block type. Or wait, we don't want that. I mean, I guess it's the same, but whatever. And I think this is just going to be a game object, but... And then in this thing, we'll define, like, just a long list of them, and then I'm going to turn that into a dictionary, basically, in the start method of this behavior. And then I'll expose, like, oh, go get the thing, or whatever. Damn it. Serialized field, thank you. And then there'll be a second, just for optimal retrieval logic. We'll take a dictionary of block type to game object that we will create on... Oops. You know what? I'm feeling a soundtrack change. Let me look for something here. I'm going with some SNES era JRPG music. The Pussy Popper, yeah, I said. just throw back null if that happens. I'm cheating really quick, and I'm gonna go look at the Brackies video that I watched earlier today to prep myself for this. In this video, it's actually really cool, the video I watched from them. By the way, Brackies is a fucking amazing resource for like game design stuff if you're ever curious of like starting out, kind of like at any level. They don't make videos anymore, but goddamn was there some cool shit in there. But in the video they made literally, so it's for a 2D game, so this wouldn't really work for what I'm trying to do. Although it might if I actually keep to that like 2D, 3D, or 2.5D like approach where it's just a flat grid. But they set it up so that literally a sorry, the level editor is, you like make an image and then it reads the image in, and depending on what color each pixel is what it puts in the actual map of the level. Thought that was pretty cool. It's pretty clever. Okay, yeah, I went too far ahead. I need to find. Damn it. Must have gone through that part very quick. I mean, to be fair, it is a very simple class, but there's like... Boom, here we go. Okay, yeah, so he has... Okay, it is a game object. I had that right. Good to go. Well, it's hardcore that you could do this with such a big font. I mean, I'm just trying to make sure you guys can read what I'm doing. This is not how I usually code, for what it's worth. Also, hello, Epio. How you doing? Okay, cool. So that'll be how we retrieve. Think back. Pretend like we're in like a college lecture again, and like the professor's trying to show you a block of code, so they ramp it up to like 100% zoom scale because they're trying to project to an entire classroom of people. So then on start, we knew up the dictionary, up out of college. There. It's also very specific to people in programming related majors as well, or people that at least took a programming class. It's that tiny sliver. Now, I know I said don't use a for each, and you know what? I'm actually gonna not do that. A lot of molecules, does that count? More than I did. I did physics. I can't do biology. Fucking terrible at it. Or chem. I guess that could be either or. Molecules. Chem I was slightly better at because there's a little more math in it, but yeah. Rocks. Geology. There we go. I never took any, like, geology classes. I did get up to modern physics, in that class I somehow passed, but barely. Jesus fucking Christ, the math in modern physics is, like, mind-bending. Biased, but I think they're fun, but also really complicated. Hey, that's fair, you know? If you like it, you like it. I'm not saying I don't like it, I just never did any of that. So here we're gonna put a warning in if if we already have this in our lookup. What's this called again? Block type. There we go. Otherwise, we just go ahead and add it. This way we'll have some sort of checks and balances. Honestly, that's just really on me if I fuck this up, but hey, it'll spit something out at me now, so hey, that's good. So that'll make our dictionary set up, and that's all we need to do in the start method. And then we just need to make sure that this runs before our other script, or else they're gonna maybe conflict. Thing about rocks is mineralogy is rough. I don't know if that's a pun somehow, or... But I'm going to assume it is one. Not intentionally. I mean, I also completely believe that there's some complicated shit in there. For sure. Cool, okay. So, this we're gonna define alongside our level generator. This will be like a de facto like lookup that it can use to figure out like, okay, you put a number 1 here, that means I should make this object, or and so on and so forth. Oh, actually, we're safe because I'm not generating the level on start. I'm doing it through this method call, which we'll probably do after start has finished on something, because we'll wait for you to like pick a file to load or whatever. My idea, my grand scheme of this is like, hopefully I can keep this compact enough, the level data, that we can share levels by having anyone who's hosting just like pick their level in addition to the default ones, and then it'll just load in. Now there's a lot of like security things around that I probably should be worried about, but we can validate and such later. As it stands tonight, we're not even going to be doing network functionality because like I don't have any of that code on this computer that I'm working off of here. So, I also fully realize that, like, the number 1 thing of, like, making a good level editor is just the UI. I remember I had to eat my words when Mario Maker came out, because before it came out, I'm like, well, Lunar Magic already exists. You can make Mario levels all you want. Granted, it's only in Mario World, but hey, there's, what, Toad's Castle or whatever for making Mario 64 levels, and then there's, like, an editor for Mario 3 as well, like... I'm like, this is dumb, Nintendo. This already exists. The fans have already solved this problem. And then, like, I played Mario Maker 1, and I'm like, oh my god, okay, they nailed it. Like, this is insanely, like, simplistic, yet broad in what you can do. Not that it blew those other tools out of the water or anything, or, like, removed the necessity for them, but... it etched its place in... or it etched its reason to exist, I guess. Into history. Put several months into level editor for my game, and then I never used it. Though switched to Proc Gen. Oh yeah. That's a whole other can of worms. I would love to do a procedural generation thing someday, TM. That's not going to be in this game, period. Hard stop. But one day, I might do that, and hell, I might even stream that sooner rather than later for like a proof of concept or something. It's kind of what tonight is also. So like I said, I've never made like a level editor that like you can use, but I have made a level editor that like was for internal use on a past project. Well, I should have got that set up on this computer so I could show you guys, but oh well. Maybe some other stream will do that. We had a game that we called Tighten Up, which is it's not really a Mega Man clone. It's like, it's got Mega Man controls, but it's completely a very different game. Like with wall sliding and everything. Yeah, Epio, you have played that. You've seen that game. Yeah, we set up a level editor for that to generate the levels, but it wasn't ideal, and it definitely couldn't be like released to the public. The idea that I want to put in here is this is going to be a level editor that you can go into, make your own levels, and then also play them online, which is a really hopeful and broad idea, but I don't know, I think we can get there. The big thing, and I know for your idea, like, switching to procedural generation obviously is a nail in the coffin for whether or not you use it, but if you're making a level editor, I would say you probably should start with that, and also, what's the concept called? Dog fooding? I forget what, it's from some book. It's not even from a tech book, it's from like a business book. But, like, use your tool and expand your tool rather than, like, circumventing it to get, like, a special case thing in or whatever, because it'll just make the level editor better. So that's the mentality I'm going in at this with. Sorry, I know I've, like, just been talking for, like, most of this half hour so far, but we made some progress. So what we want to do now... I actually have no idea how to change a skybox. This might be tricky. Development is mostly thinking / talking. That is very true. The music, we don't even have a music system, so I'm going to stick a pin in both of those things for now, but I will leave it to do for myself. However, we can do this part, I think. Not the background, the tile layout. Boom. Code completed. And then we call our tile dictionary based on the type that we set here. If it's null, oops, return. Otherwise, let's pass the tile in, fuck it. And this will give us a vector. This will give us a vector 3 back. Convert to position. Tile data. Tile. For now, I'm gonna be lazy, and we'll just pass the XYZ back. This is not how I want to build this. I want to build the tiles where it's like 0, 1, 2, 3, and like it just keeps going or whatever. And then we'll like multiply that by some factor to find out where it actually goes. And they'll have like a set width of something. So I'll leave myself a reminder here. I guess that could be static, why not? And then basically we just want to instantiate, instantiate the prefab. Oh, yeah, the prefab. And then we want to set the coordinates. The transformed position. Good job, me. Oh, wait, actually, I think you can pass that into the instantiation, can't you? Yeah, you can. Perfect. Alright, we're good. And then, I don't think we'll have, like, rotation support, but if we do, we'll add that to the tile data, and then we'll pass it in here as well. I'm just gonna say up, because up is easy. And then we actually don't need this object because it's instantiated. I want to address the elephant in the room right here that some people probably aren't, well, nobody's probably thinking of this right now, but you might have thought this. I don't know why that's mad, but whatever, we'll fix that in a sec. So, I've been using Photon to make the online code for this game. All of this is very much not Photon-oriented and would not, like, propagate this across everyone's computer. My plan is to pass the level data object in JSON format, or maybe even something more compressed than that, like pass that out to all the clients, and then have the clients generate the level this way. And then have some validation to make sure you're not sending, like, junk data that's gonna fucking send a virus out somehow or whatever. Oh. Heh. Which is very hand-wavy, but like I said, this code's not even going to run over network tonight, so... I think I will make a separate repository for this. I haven't released the code for the other thing I made, which is why it's not on this computer. If it was, I would pull it down and I would just be working off of that. But, like a doofus, I didn't commit any of that shit, and that's on my computer that's broken. And actually, I could have plugged the thing in, turned it on briefly, and got it set up, but I didn't do that. I guess I still could, technically, but I don't want to make this stream a, like, hey, look at me setting up computers and such type stream, you know? Chat, you want to know the dumbest thing about my stream stability lately? I'm gonna jinx this. Tonight's totally gonna, like, go down or something. So I switched from, like, using a Wi-Fi repeater that was plugged into a switch and been to my computer to using a wireless NIC. Every stream is a hey look at me stream. True. I want to make progress though, I guess is my point. I worded that poorly. But yeah. And then things got worse after I did that. I had problems previously prior, but then I had the smart idea, okay, my wireless repeater is on the fucking floor in my basement, and my modem is on my top floor of my house. Hello stream, this is me. Gotta love phone R. It's a great emote. So then I had the thought, hey, what if I just elevated the wireless repeater so it's a little higher off the ground? And I did that, and then went back to the wireless repeater instead of the wireless network card. And things have been stable the last couple of streams because of that, I think. I definitely still had some issue with my internet in December, but that was resolved a while ago. I just was making things worse after that. Will it actually let me do this? I feel like Unity, like, in C# this would be fine, but, like, I think Unity doesn't actually operate off the proper version of .NET that will support that syntax, but we'll prove it. And then I'll get angry because it'll start crashing and I'll have no idea why. And then I'll be like, oh wait, shit, it's this line that I did stupidly a while ago. Cool. Okay, so that actually will just generate our level for us. There's a lot of stuff we still need to do. Namely, we need to make our entire fucking game. But hey, details. Actually, you know what? One last thing before we go. We are going to actually do the math and convert these, because this is going to get in the way immediately. Okay, so... let's say our blocks are 32 wide, right? Let me test this actually in editor so I'm doing this right. What is it mad about? Excusez-moi? Oh yeah, look. Look at that. It's already fucking mad. Yeah, it doesn't support that. I knew it didn't support that, but I wanted to prove that. Anyway. Let's create 2 cubes. What are you doing? There we go. Zero that bad boy out. I think I can just reset, right? Yeah, there we go. Where'd he go? There he is. Or maybe a 1x1x1 block is actually fine. But even still, I need to make sure this works the way I hope it does. So 1, 1, 1. Well, that's that actually is exactly what I was looking for. Okay, so yeah, we could just do that and have the blocks be 1 wides. But if they were like, let's just say, let's pick a weird number, 7 wides, right? 7 by 7 by 7 per block, which is not what we're gonna do, but for the sake of argument, I want to basically future-proof this thing, so put it at 777, and yep, that's perfectly aligned the way I hoped it would be. Nice. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is just add like a hard-coded thing. We'll make it, call it tile size. We'll default it to 1. And then serialize this so we can change it in editor if we need to. And then all we gotta do down here is just multiply by tile size. Why are you mad about that? Oh. It can no longer be a static method. It's fine. And boom, now it's adjusted so that if we want to make our tiles bigger than 1 by 1 by 1, all we do is change this, and then also change the prefabs for every single fucking tile. And we're Gucci. Alright, let's make us some prefabs, shall we? Make a prefabs folder. Prefabs. Actually, hold on. Before we start doing the next step, I'll be right back, chat. Our next step is basically to create definitions of, like, the objects that we should spawn in, and we can put whatever we want on them. I'm going to make these really basic cubes for now, and then we'll worry about other details later. So, in short, I will be right back, mixing myself another drink, and then we'll continue. Alrighty, chat. Let's continue. Gonna make a materials folder too. You know, I should really make textures or something, but like, that's not what tonight's about. So we're just gonna use like different colors to signify the different objects. And then basically once I'm done with this, then we'll get to the actual part where you're using an editor. I want to test this first to make sure it works, but... And I don't know if we'll finish that tonight, but I'm gonna try. We'll make the ground brown. Totally brown, by the way. There we go. Done and done. Where do I drag this? That works. There we go. Or, well, this will be ground 1. You can't duplicate materials, that's fine. Whatever. We'll make ground 2. Let's make it green. For grass, I guess. Or whatever. And we're just gonna go down the list and make all of these basically very exciting, I know. Unbreakable wall 1 material. Breakable wall 1 material. The hell else did I make tile-wise? Not tile data, block type, here we go. Unbreakable wall 1, breakable wall 1, fire power up, bomb up, curse, okay. So unbreakable wall will make that silver. Does this work? I think it does. Well, here, let's move it. There we go. Okay. I need these to be at 0, 0, 0 because I'm going to make them prefabs, but... I mean, I can always fix that in the prefab later, I guess. But, breakable wall... We'll make it, like, yellow, I guess? Like, sand? Again, these will all be textures and, like, proper objects with, like, scripts and functionality on them in the long run, but, you know... We're just making stuff now. And these are the special ones, so I'm gonna go ahead and hide these real quick. Fire power up. And I want to scale this guy down to, like, float in the air a little bit. Or whatever. But then we also need to give him material. We'll make that nice and red. And then do the same for bomb up. Oh, and then we need a curse too. Same deal with all those, we want them smaller. I'd make this gray, but we already made the wall gray, so we'll just make it black. Bomb up. Oh wait, shit, I was gonna make bomb up black. Oh, we'll make it blue. again, these will just be like actual textures in the long run here. There'll be an actual model or a mesh for these. But just getting ideas down, you know? Okay, re-enable all these. And then let's toss all of these in the prefab. I don't know if this will work the way I hope it does, but if it does, that's amazing. No, it doesn't like that at all. Okay, fine, I'll do it one at a time. Cool, those are all prefabs now, so we can delete them from our scene. And then the most important part, we need to make our actual level generator with our script. And I guess I'll make like a debug script that will invoke this, but for now, we'll use our self here, and then that's good. And this lookup needs to be 1, 2, 3, 7 long. Element 0, floor 1, use ground 1. Good. I'm very consistent at naming things. Good shit. Unbreakable wall 1 is this guy. Also, as usual, if anyone has any questions of like what the fuck I'm doing or like like anything, I'm happy to answer. Or what my plans are for this, or just general programming inquiries. Boom. Okay, so now we have definitions for all these. And now, before we make our level editor, this fly is driving me nuts, that's okay. Oh, this actually should also be a prefab, I suppose. I'm gonna make a subfolder for this stuff. Call it tiles. Honestly, that's probably not how I should organize it, but whatever. This will change when I actually import it in my other project. Yeah, the level generator itself should be a prefab. And there we go. So now we just want... I'm gonna make like a fake level data. Because why not? Pardon me. And we'll make a new script. I hate creating scripts this way. It's convenient, but also it doesn't put it where you want it to go. Well, you know what, actually, here it's fine because I'm not actually organizing stuff properly. So we'll call this debug fake level data. Let's go add this guy. Okay. And real quick and dirty. Whoa, hey, what are you doing here? This is like the worst design pattern ever, but that's okay. Because this is all just... Oops. This is all just for the sake of, like, debugging the thing I just wrote. I forgot one of the most important things out of my block types here. The player spawn. How could I forget? We'll need to map that, but also, there we go. I need to remind myself how coordinates work really quick, sorry. Okay, it goes up. What is enabled? What the hell? Hold on. Oh, this is a mono behavior. This doesn't need to be a mono behavior, does it? Yeah, it really doesn't. Okay. You're just data now. I know this song. Okay, now I'm less confused. Type is... This is gonna get messy. Hi, how are you? I'm doing well. How about yourself, Soul Vampire? Welcome on in. Good old hard-coded data. We're not gonna make too many things here, but let's make a 3x3 grid at least, I guess. I'm gonna region this out so I can compress this one down. What type of game am I making? I am making... It's sort of like a Bomberman clone is what I'm starting off of, and then I'm gonna make something that's not just Bomberman, but for now, that is our starting point. I kind of want to take, like, the idea of, like, not the, like, super old school ones, but, like, the N64 era Bomberman where it's, like, 3D and kind of a little more dynamic than just, like, a grid. And then I also want to add multiplayer, like, online capabilities, which I've already sort of started on. However, that project is on a different computer right now, and I'm just, I forgot to check that into source control, so we're without that code right now, but I'm working on fixing that computer and eventually be back on that. So for now, I'm working on a level editor. I kind of want to make it sort of more, I guess, isometric in the way that it's set up. So, like, you'll have sort of a flat view of the arena, but it'll be three-dimensional, so, like, top-down doesn't seem like it would be as good for that, so you could get a good sense of, like, the actual height of where you are. Where did I start this? Oh, you know what? Let's just put this out here rather than over there. I think it'll work either way, but it's fine. Okay. And we can make that go away when it's overbearing, which it will become very soon. Okay, so this is just for, like... It's just for a 4x4. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna one-line these. Forget it. Very silly, but we're gonna just do it this way. It'll actually make it a lot less, obnoxious to look at. Right now I'm hard-coding some data, because it's the easiest way to test what I've done. Actually, you know what? We'll do like a 2x2 grid, that's fine. You know what? Whatever, fuck it. I'll just make a 3x3. Copy-pasting that would not be wise. We'll just take this, okay. Yeah. So I want 1, 2, 2, 1, 2, 2, and then lastly 0, 0, and 2 on each of these, and that'll give us a 3x3. Oh, I'm using Unity currently. One of these days, I'm gonna experiment with some other engines. I really want to learn Unreal, but I just haven't put in the time for it, honestly. And you know what? Right at the center, which would be 1-1, we're gonna make that a 4-2 just to prove that that works. That's not the center, is it? Oh well, whatever. And then we need to make a wall around all of this stuff, so let's go ahead and make unbreakable wall. So this would be at starting at -1, -1. Oh man, this is gonna be gross. That's okay though. And then we also want this at Y position 1, so it'll go up. So yeah, we just want to go all along the wall here, so that'll go up to 3. -1, +1, 2, and lastly 3. So that'll be one side. And then we'll just go down this wall, I guess. So 0, 1, 2, 3. And then we go down this way, and then I just connect back and we'll be good. Okay, cool. 2, 1, 0, and -1. This will be so much cleaner when I am actually like no, we already have -1, -1, so that'll be okay. When we're actually just generating this via the game itself, rather than typing it in. So this will both prove that I have 3D support, and also not actually make it a 3D arena. We'll start with this. Hey, look, my background. Or my desktop. All 5 games I have installed. Also, I don't know if anyone can even read that when it pops up, but it's not even a game. I rearrange this constantly as a meme. I don't really use my desktop in general. So I've got Village, Hat in Time, original Resident Evil 3, Audacity, and Hades. I've never played Hades, by the way. I do own it, though. Just keep putting more stuff over there because it's fun. I should tiled map designer and use the tiled to Unity add-on. Tiled, if I'm not mistaken, tiled only works for 2-dimensional games, right? Am I wrong about that? I've actually used tiled before, and it's very nice. Oh, I didn't call generate game. Oh man. My end goal is to actually make this like properly 3D. So very quick and dirty, I'm gonna do this. We want to find the level generator by finding it. What have I done? Could add an extra depth as a layer data. That I say this fully realizing how messy this looks, but that sounds messy. Look, it's gone now. No one can tell that my code is really messy. Sorry, this is not permanent code in any way, shape, or form. I bet you probably could put in your desktop and use as a background, remove shortcuts. This is like a true edgelord teen. I did that to so many people in high school. Anyway, what did I call this? Oh man, fake level. That's what I called it. Also, I guess my title doesn't make this super clear. I probably could still use tiled for this, but what I want to actually build like an editor that you can use as a player in game, and then save your levels and play them. And telling people to go use tiled is not super great for that. That's sort of what we're working towards right now. Okay, so now it'll generate the level, hopefully, if I did everything right. Minus a player. That looks good. Hold on. Ah, witness me, chat. Cool. So now we just need to make the editor. That'll be easy. That is 0% clear from your title. That's true. I used too many qualifiers. I'm like, starting an attempt at this thing. True, that's only for when you make initial levels. Yeah. But that's the thing. I want to make it like so like anyone can just make a level easily. And the idea is that people will, or I will just make everything out of the editor, so anything that's in the game anyone can put in edit-wise. I know that's a little overly ambitious and maybe a bit pie in the sky idea that's not going to happen, but one can dream. Okay, so we can generate a level. That is working. Now we need to make the level editor, which is going to be the ridiculous part. Cool. 1 second here. Ooh. Okay, so we don't need the level editor in here. We need a level editor script, and I need to build a bunch of UI. Okay, here we go. Brace yourself, chat. Goon's making a fucking UI. Let's go ahead and call this editor UI. Very creative, I know. Thank you very much. You know, there's a platform action RPG that runs in a browser. That is cool. I haven't messed a lot with like Unity browser or like any browser. Well, that's not true. I have messed with a long time ago. I messed with what was it called? Cocoon. Oh wait, that's not right. I was using an HTML5 framework and I used Cocoon to turn that into apps for Windows Phone. That's how long it was ago, as well as Android and iOS. It did not run very well on any of those systems, unfortunately, but it ran well in a browser. But that's many, many years ago. Oh, using Melon.js. Cool stuff. Nice. Yeah. As far as I know, I've heard like Unity engine or Unity web player is pretty powerful, but I've never done anything with it, so I wouldn't really know one way or the other. And I've also never touched Melon.js, but that's cool. Rock on. I really do need to stop like just using Unity for everything, for what it's worth. Like, I'm by no means a Unity fanboy, but it's what I know, so it works, you know? And it's also really quick to get something like started up. Gods of Telithium. Cool stuff. Misspelled that. I'm gonna copy paste. I got a New York Times article, which I don't think is your game. Now I found it. Oh, cool. You got like a beta up and everything. Cool. Good stuff. Something is not running. Oh, there it goes. Oh, cool. That's not what I expected based on your description. Yeah, looks nice. What was I doing? Oh yeah, okay, so... Oh boy, okay, so here's... The keys are not very user-friendly as it's for my own testing. Yeah, I mean, that's fair, that's... Honestly, that's like... Not, I won't say the last thing that you end up doing, but like... Definitely that's a step of refinement of a game, is like getting like a proper user experience down. I don't think you start from like a point where it's just like perfect and like everything fits in right, especially if you have like complicated systems and stuff in your game. Having said that, here here we go, trying to make an editor, which 99% of this is going to be making like a good UI. Okay, so my thought is, here's my inspiration, right? Tony Hawk's Pro Skater 2 had an awesome editor, and sequels as well, but the first one didn't have the editor, so I'm just doing that. I just want to make, like, okay, you select tiles, you go back and forth within a certain boundary, so it's not, like, unwieldy. And you set up your level that way, basically. And then you'll have, like, menu option to swap what tile you're using. It's the most basic function in your editor. Just putting stuff down. Actually, as I say that, let's go ahead and editor tile cursor. We'll call it that. Not at whatever coordinates it just decided to put that at. Please zero that out. I should just use reset. I don't know why I didn't. Zoom. And let's make a material for that. I'm thinking just like a blue that's like like very high alpha. So it's like basically not even there. So like a very deep solid blue. And then bring the alpha channel in so it's like basically mostly transparent, just kind of showing you where you're selecting. I don't think that worked. Oh, I didn't apply it, duh. Okay, it didn't work. Oh, right. No, not trans... Oh, yeah, no, that is what I want. Perfect, okay. So now we're gonna do this... Yeah, and then we'll need, like, a thing to select which block you're trying to put down. And then I think we'll just have a running object. So like I have my data model already, right, for the level data. We'll just have a running object as you're like using this tool of like the data, and then we'll like add to it or remove to it as you like add and delete blocks. These aren't wired up anyway, so I'm gonna ignore these for now. The song and background, who cares? But we will get that put in eventually, TM. But yeah, so like here's the cursor, and we'll make it empty level editor object. We'll put a script on that, which will control everything, basically. I kind of simplified that a bit, where, like, I'm mapping it to prefabs. Now, additional attributes could easily be added, because I have, like, was this tile data? I could just add more stuff in here. And then, yeah, that would be sort of like a right-click kind of thing. But I want to get the basics down first. But I like the thought, though. That's cool. That was the shortest song ever in this, like, 2-hour mix that we're listening to. You know... No, actually, yeah, this could just all be in the script. I was wondering if, like, maybe I shouldn't have this set up in a way that it's, like... Whatever. Yeah. Why did I make that capitalized? Anyway, as usual, I will litter my code with to-dos. This is a self-reminder of like what to do later. Go with process cursor movement, process block placement. Make 2 methods for that. Ah. Yeah, no, I'm not. I was just like pondering. I kind of want to set up like so. There's like that new Unity like input processor thing where I can make it like I can add like profiles for like the commands and everything, and like really easily add controller support. Adding that on to what I'm about to do wouldn't be super hard actually, so I'm gonna just do it the old way for now. Actually, wait. I want key up. Yep. That part working first than that. Yeah, no, exactly. That's the thought, right? Like, add it in dynamically after the fact. An iterative process. I don't know if that works well for games, but it works well in the general software development industry. I say as a 10, 11 year veteran now, I guess. Not veteran like I'm in the army, but like I've been in the software industry for like 11 years. Block placement. Let's just go with enter. No, not keypad enter. Return. There we go. I don't like that. Let's use E, because why not? Again, to be completely like demolished and torn down and processing input in another way, which hopefully will have controller support and everything, but that's my pie in the sky dream. For now, we're just making this work, so like, screw it. Oh, yeah, I need to keep track of the current block type. So, yeah, we want... and then also process cycle block type. Add that in here too. Key up, we'll just use left and right for now. Left arrow, if right arrow.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you for the yeah there, right? Good timing, right as the song is swap. So I want... Oh, crap, hold on. How do I do this? Get all enum values, C#. Stupid targeted ads. Enum.get values, there we go. I kind of like this approach better though, where like I have prefabs assigned to it, so like it's like, now that could still be a thing, but that could just build on top of this, where it's like, okay, I have a pre-assigned like number for this block should be like this, and like you know you cycle through it or whatever. Wait, wait, I need to do this. Oh, actually, no, I don't need to do that, because I have, this is a number, so I can just use this as a number. So we want to do -1. Wait, does that work the way I think it does? Hold on. This I actually can use LinkPad for. Oh crap. Oh no. Oh shoot. Okay, so I need to like... Man. So if it's at 0, I need to set it to like length -1. So I want to do like... Right. Wait, hold on. Does this work right? Yeah, okay, it does. Yeah, hold on. Wait, shoot, what is this? This is a block type. I hope that's the right class. Yes, it is. Okay, cool. Oh, damn it. But I want to ignore the 0. Oh, crap. Shoot. Max. No, it doesn't work right. Okay, let's do a little test here. I need a whole program for this one, though. God, this font size is killing me. Why is it mad about that? What have I done? Get a bigger screen so it looks smaller. Have you know my screen is big enough already. Did I... Oh. Fuck, yeah, that's what I did wrong. Oops. Whoopsie doodle. Okay, so now I want to get the enum values. Yeah, lip bite. Oh my god. Enum dot get all values. Type of my enum. That's not right. Let's get values. Yeah, that's good. Do that. Why not? Why'd I hit save? Average satisfies. So, what I want to know is basically like the last value in here. Is that going to be... Wrong length. There we go. Yeah, apply... What? Why? Wait, what type is this? Hold on. No, it actually doesn't like that. What the heck is going on? It has a length. I have to use get value? Ew. Ew. Really? Okay, so it is in order. That's all I wanted to know, is like, when I do get values, is it going to give me them in sequence? Unless that's a weird coincidence, which is possible, but probably not the case. That defines as droppable primitives, then you could have a set of materials you could add to them, like block. Yeah, no, I think that's fair to say. Like, that's, again, it's all like additional metadata I would put in this object here, in addition to like the base type that would tell me what kind of prefab to spawn. I could have parameters that I would pass in. That might be the way I end up going with that. For what it's worth. Sorry, I just went down a fucking rabbit hole with like how I do this. Okay, I don't need to do this unless we're at 0 already. Then we need to call get values or whatever. This is probably a smarter way to do this. Oh, god damn it, chat. Chat, I got too drunk. And then tried to do something complicated. Woe is me. Next block index equals this, if it's that. And then block type. Oh yeah, we just cast it at that point. Current block type equals the block type of the next block index. Boom. Done. Did it. Okay. Let's go, chat. Now here, this sounds like braid music, but it can't possibly be based off what I'm playing right now. This really would fit perfectly into the game Braid. However... Oh, I shouldn't call this X. Fixed. Easy peasy. Here I actually need to know the length of it ahead of time. So... Greater than or equal to block types dot length. Well, next index at that point just equals 0. Simple enough. Cool. Okay, so that will process like cycling the block type. Now, how how we actually know what we're placing is a different story altogether, but hey, that's whatever, right? Process cursor movement. We'll use Wasad for this, I suppose. Wasad... Wait, oh wait, shit. E is what I made for placement. We'll use Z instead, actually. We'll use Mega Man ZX instead for that, actually. So we want to do, like... If W, if S, if A, if D, if Q, if E, there we go. No, E will be down. Yeah, I should absolutely do this way. And actually, you know what else? Hold on. More war. This way we'll actually be able to convert the callbacks better when we use, like, stuff. Or sorry, if we, like, actually update the input processor here to use, like, more modernized ways of processing this. Yeah, precisely. Don't mind me, I'm just like pre-refactoring stuff. It's fine. Wait, crap. Also, hold on. Absolutely get rid of some of these curly braces here. There, now my code's less lines, so it's better, right? Okay. We're getting there, chat. We're getting there. Promise. I'm gonna probably write this and then... like... ooh, man. Copy and paste it like 6 times to the other movement processors there. This actually is all the data we need to like place the block, which is great. It's jank, but it's great. That's fine. Okay, yeah, hold on. Wait, this is the first thing we actually need a reference for. So we need, I guess I could just take a transform, right? For the cursor. Serialize that bad boy. Private void update cursor. Cursor dot position equals new vector 3 current x, current y, current z. Boom, we did it, chat. We did it. Oh. I guess really all we need to do in these are just like, so we're moving forwards. Crap. Need to remind myself of positions real quick. So, alright, I'm thinking like top down, right? Z up is forward, Z down is backwards. X right is forward, X left is backwards. Maybe you should invent your own enum so you don't have to deal with C-sharp's annoying ones. No, I won't. I refuse. I'm sorry, wait, I forgot which way Z goes. Okay, up is forwards. So this is actually 2 places I'll need to update this now, if I decide to change the size of tiles, but I'm okay with that. Okay, maybe that shouldn't, here we go. Fixed it. Maybe we shouldn't actually save those as floats, or... I don't know. So we're gonna make this unbounded for now, but eventually I might add, like, a min-max of where you can put shit down. But, I mean, there's nothing about the way this works right now that will, like, break or something if it, you know, doesn't go inside the lines or whatever. Okay, let's test this part out at least. Let's also set a default tile size of 1. Oh, you know what? Actually, it wouldn't really be that hard to, like, add in... I'm not gonna have a visual for it, but I guess we can, like, debug and, like, check where it is or whatever. I think that would be fine. This is horrible, but I'm gonna do it this way. Maybe I should have, like, some other object and then save, like, a tile data when we're done so that I can access this data better. But we'll do it the dirty way for now, I guess. Level data dot tile data contains... Need special rules for erasing stuff. I'm gonna make it even more confusing and convoluted. Actually... Yeah, no, we need that. Okay. This is a banger. It's pretty good. No! Ah! And now it's mad about the floats. Oh well. Or wait, hold on. Let's do dot remove here. Dot... Oh shit. I think this works, right? Yeah, there we go. I'm just too... Wait. Shit. Okay, I got this. Hold on. There we go, we got it. Why are you mad? What the fuck? Oh, oops. There we go. Let's filter that stuff out. We're good. So there's our erase function. And then we just need to add function. So this will be just like, you won't see what's happening after you like set all this stuff, but it will totally work TM. Here we need a slightly different thing. We still want this, but if it already exists, then we just change the type to whatever the current type is at. Otherwise, we add... Oh, wait, shit. Why do I do this to myself? Yeah, it's not happy about those floats there. You know what? Executive decision. Fuck these floats. We're gonna go ahead and just make them ints. It's just causing problems, honestly. Same with tile size, that's an int now. Fuck you. There. Now it can only be on the order of integers, which is probably completely fucking fine. And then we put it back in an array, and then we're good to go. This is just more and more evidence I probably should have used a separate data type for managing the actual, like, level editor data, and then just convert that to my serializable object at the end of all this when you go to save the thing. Alright. Let's see how horribly this does not work. I'm gonna go ahead and hide the UI for now. It's not even important, honestly. Boom. Cursor is this guy. He starts at 0, 0, 0. You know what, actually, let's put him under the level editor object, because why the fuck not? And boom. Should be able to move the cursor around. Hey, baby! You know what? I want at least a little bit of context of what I'm doing. I'm gonna take a little break right now, but when I get back, we're gonna go ahead and actually add stuff to that canvas that I created that shows you like what block you're placing down. Probably just that, honestly. That's all we're gonna do. Maybe the basic definition of the controls. This isn't almost done, right? Yeah, we're only like an hour into this 2.5 hour mix. So I will be right back, chat. Hang tight, and we will make this level editor even better. I didn't prove that like half of the functionality works here, but I want more feedback, honestly, before I start testing that. Chat. And I have decided to solve the problem of I am too drunk with more alcohol. I'm not too drunk, for the record. Totally fine. Otherwise, how would I be making this? Wait, you're already drunk? Those were margaritas I was drinking. Lamau, you got me. Or something at some attempt at a margarita, at least. Pardon me. Jeez. Alright, so we want to put in, I'm gonna do the bare minimum effort for now, and we're gonna use the enum names just raw as they are. Anything's a margarita if you believe. Well, I think the first thing I had was closer to a margarita. The second one was a little sloppy, to be honest. Listen, event system, you go back to 000. It literally doesn't matter at all. Shit. I'm taking a cough drop. Pardon me, chat. The endless sick that I've been caught with. So, what I'm gonna do is just make like a text indicator of what block you currently have selected. It's very dirty. We'll make it better later, I promise. But for now, it'll do. So to do that, we have our canvas here that I already created earlier. Let's just make some text. Sure, why not? We're gonna go ahead and call this current tile label. Current tile. How do I like see this? You know, I'm sure there's a better way to do this, but I don't know what it is, and I'm sorry, chat. Make you in the top left. Then center you. Walls. Hold on, I can fix that too. And also fix that. No, wait, crap, that's what I was gonna do. This level editor cubes like Minecraft? No, it's cubes like Tony Hawk. Damn it. Oh, right? I think I might need a container for this or something. Let's try to put that in. I'm gonna take a horizontal layout group. I want this guy to stretch. Yeah, stretch across all of horizontal. And then you go in here. And then create another one. That's also just gonna be text, honestly, because we just need to display what we're doing. Current tile display. And now I've made things so much worse. Dear God, what have I done? Oh, here we go. Why does it start there, though? That's Super Mario RPG. Alignment upper left. Expand to height. Chad, I am confused. I'm super confused, actually. What the fuck? Oh, yeah, I know, but, like, what the hell? Oh, maybe the height needs to be bigger? Heh. Well, yes. What's your width? Height? Give me your height. 451. That's a very normal number. Sure, why not? Cool. I'm thinking actually this should probably be like a subgroup underneath this. Hold on, let's make another one. Yeah, I totally meant to do that. Status window. Current tile. This will be its own horizontal layout group, containing you two goofy goobers. Actually, this will be a vertical layout group, I think. Yeah, that's what I want. There'll be more there later, but whatever, fuck. That's fine for now. That's... We'll put, like, the song name and other stuff in there. But the other thing I want, which is not this... Oh shit! Ravier, thank you for the raid. Welcome on in, everybody. We're currently making a level editor for a game that I currently don't have the source code to because it's on my broken computer. But thanks for the raid. Much appreciated. How did your game development go? So far, we've got this. Actually, we do have more than this. I have code to like generate a level based on a schema of data. Should probably add camera controls in here too, so you can see what you're doing. Slower than anticipated, but productive. I would take that any day, honestly. That's how it goes sometimes. To be fair, I don't know. As a lazy way right now, I'm gonna actually just go move the camera and like rotate it down to give you like a better overall view of what's happening. Eventually I'll let the player control the camera, but cool. Okay. We're missing a lot of functionality to this, but like we're getting there slowly. So level editor script, we need to add a parameter in here. Wait, hold on. It's like TMP, not input field. I want a text field. Text, here we go. Current block display text. Don't know why it decided to do that, but hey, that's fine, whatever. Okay, so when we update current block type... Oh, wait, hold on. Not there. Inside cycle block type. Nope. Wait. This might not... Oh, it's lowercase. That's what I did wrong. Thought I grabbed the wrong type for a second there. And then we just want to call this every time we mess with the block type here. So pardon me, everyone. I'm still getting over a cold here. And then we need to set that. Just super doable. Didn't quite drag that right. There we go. Okay, so now it should work. Let's go ahead and call update. Let's just call update everything in the beginning here. Honestly, we don't really need to update the cursor at the beginning because it should start at 0, 0, 0, but you know. Okay, so it's at none right now. Don't you just love to see that? Player spawn, curse, bomb up, power up. So wait. Oh, it only broke on the first time. Also, left and right seem to do the same thing. Okay, I see what I did wrong. There's my desktop again. Cycle block type. I think backwards and forwards are just set to the same thing, aren't they? Or, well, there we go. That should fix it. I hope. I need to make that wider so it doesn't say player spa Nah. Alright, cool. Ideally, I should have a like visual of what the block is there, which is actually not incredibly hard to do. However, we're gonna just leave it as is for now. Just want to get the bare bones basics of like putting this stuff together. So now what I would like to do, I think I could probably test like whether I'm placing stuff properly or not. But what I really want to do is have that show up on screen as I'm putting stuff down to like actually like show that I'm doing something. So let's do that. Oh, a couple other things I'd like to do. Pardon me. Hiccup. Number one. How's that not wide enough for player spawn? I guess we can test it, right? Like... Alright, just make it like a little bit wider. Like 110 or something. 120? 130? Oh, wait, shoot. It's also not working for some reason. Oh! These two things are not using the full width of everything. I guess that doesn't seem to work. That doesn't make any sense to me, but whatever. It's fine, I guess. Whatever. There we go. Quick and dirty. Okay, so editor UI, status window. This is a vertical layout, right? Okay, so like if I make another one... No, I need to make this outside of that. Oh my gosh. This... Why am I fooling around with this silly stuff? I like should just... I don't know. I should just like make this jank and just live with it or whatever, but control explanation. Controls explanation. There we go. I think really what I want is like we're gonna keep player spawn in there because it's the max length string that we have so far. Just gonna make something called columns. Worked everything, which is perfect. Stretch to the full length of everything. What the hell? What are you doing over there? Okay, well, we'll resolve that in a second. But anyway, horizontal layout is what I'm looking for. You go in here. Oop. Oh, you go in here. And you go also in here. And this is still incredibly borked. I don't know what the hell is going on. Just keeps getting more broken the more I mess with it. Okay, so like... I guess screw that. I'll go ahead and just steal the parameters from here, right? Like... Oh, I grabbed the wrong params. Okay. 864-451. Oh, I put this in the wrong spot. Oh no. Oh no, indeed. Crap. Okay, hold on. No, this should be inside columns. Hey, Sharp. Oh, it's going. Oh, it is going. Okay, start at 0. That's good. That's not good. What the hell? Why did you shoot up in the air outside of boundaries here? What the hell? Okay, I'm gonna see, like, this probably doesn't line up, right? Yeah, no, it doesn't. Okay, cool. I guess I just manually do this? Oh wait, hold on. 864 should be the width of this. It's like, oh, you know what? Maybe if I center it? No, it doesn't like that at all. That just, like, screws every... Oh wait, no! That's okay. That's good. Yes! Finally! Okay. So then we have this. It's spanning the whole thing. That is good. Control explanation, you should actually be under status window, but that's okay. This is back to normal, I suppose. Yeah, that's fine. And then controls explanation. I feel like with these columns, you should maybe not be on the exact same position as this stuff, but hey, what do I fucking know about anything? It doesn't like that either. It literally won't let me move this. Why? Maybe I need to have something in here and then it'll, like, actually move. Let's try that. Like, something UI-wise. Is Unity open source? I have no idea. I cannot move that. Guess it has something to do with this, but like... Oh my god. Wait, hold on. This is wrong. The right and bottom of this should be 864 and 451. So that looks okay now, but this doesn't. I don't... What is happening? Should I have had not the horizontal layout, but like vertical instead? I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing wrong here. Hey, what's up, Ramp Rowdy? Maybe I should get rid of this, like, layout group and just, like, manage this myself. I don't know, because now I can actually move this. And if we set this to, like, the upper right-hand corner, that can just kind of live in its own spot. And that's mostly okay. Wait, what? Man. I guess I just can't win. Maybe I should just give up on trying to make, like, a helpful UI in any way, shape, or form. Like, actually, what the fuck is going on right now? Don't understand this. Needs to be more than that. I guess 400 would probably do it. The child elements aren't inheriting from this. If anyone's ever felt any frustration over, like, PSS or any sort of like alignment / styling tech, I urge you to try making things line up in Unity. It is its own fresh hell. Programming UI is the worst. Ugh. Yeah. 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 Just, yeah. The end. I don't have enough space. Maybe we'll just make the font smaller. 32 font? There we go. But it's crucial. Like, I cannot stress enough that, like, that's literally, like, the make or break. Like, will this work? will this level editor work for people? Is, like, a good UI is what you need behind that. 100%. Actually, I really don't need a vertical layout here, because I just need, like, one set of text to be, like... I don't know if I did those the right way. I think Q is up, right? Q goes up? Is that what I did? Yeah, it does. Okay, cool. It's a flying here. What did I set to set the block? I forget already. Is it F? This fucking jank shit that I put together. Z. I could maybe even do a thing where, like, if your current block is set to what you're selecting, that also erases it. But I like having none be the eraser. That works, right? Okay, good. It's not the best font that was ever created, but hey. Whatever. Let's get rid of that vertical layout group. Let's create a background for this so it's not, like, fucking horrible to look at, you know? That's way better. Okay, I want it to be forwards, so we want, like, positive 10. I don't think that's working the way that I assume it is. It's still fairly legible, I guess, but... Is that better? If I make it lighter? Not really, no. You know what? I give up. Fuck Unity's UI. Like, oh my god. We're gonna live with that for now. Actually, wait, I could just steal the color from this, can't I? Wait, no. Not that. This. That's what I'm looking for. Why? Why? Oh, it didn't copy the alpha channel. Why the hmm. Uh... This is very much how you should definitely do UI in Unity. There's no flaws about what I'm doing right here. Honestly. I impressed myself with this. Sure, 205, why the fuck not, right? It's like 10, but also I need this to actually be a little wider. I don't know. Like that? Does that work? I don't know. I don't know. Perfect. Okay, not perfect. I neglected to realize that some of these words are actually longer than player spawn somehow. They don't overlap with, well, they overlap, but they don't fall out of frame, which is cool. I guess you go down. Fuck it, right? Just put this lower. That's totally not way too busy. And in the fucking way. Okay, unbreakable wall 1 is the longest word that can be in there. Fixed. No, I'm not gonna bother aligning that. We're just moving on, okay? So, really, I think this is kind of simple. All we need to do to make this, like, visible when we place blocks is, Oh, erasing stuff will be tough, I guess. Shoot, this is why I should have a separate data object that, like, keeps track of what I've spawned in. Crap. 1 second. I need to go to another scene really quick. Let's go back to the sample scene, take the level generator, and shoot. Alright, let's edit this prefab a bit here. Tile prefab lookup. It's going to be its own object, and that itself is going to become a... Oh, that actually moved it. It's cool. It's exactly what I was trying to do. But this will be its own prefab. Alright, we'll save those values as default. Nice. Cool. So then we can reuse this in our editor level, and we can use that to actually generate tiles as we're placing them. Scenes. Level editor. Prefabs. Tile lookup. Perfect. So, we'll go ahead and use that in our script over here for the level editor. I think I'm gonna make a new data object instead of anything else here. We're gonna call it level editor tile. And it's basically gonna just have... Should it be a mono behavior? I'm not sure yet. No, it should not, because we're just storing the game object on here. We don't actually care about any mono behavior stuff for this script itself. We just need to put stuff in here. So we have the generated object. And then we got the XYZ of it. Yeah, we'll do it that way. This is how we're gonna destroy stuff, basically. Back to the level editor script, we'll have a private list of those. There's maybe a more efficient way we can manage that data, but again, that's optimizations for a later step at this point, honestly. I don't know. Level, or wait, generated... Why did I close that script that I just created? Level editor tile, there we go. Generated tiles. So in the start, we take generated tiles, make it new, I guess, I don't know. Empty. Actually, this could be a list. This absolutely could be a list. I mean, the dictionary would be the fastest way to look it up, but like, I don't know how we index that properly, unless I like turn the XYZ into like a string and then use that as the key, but that just seems jank. I don't know. It might actually be more efficient though. Maybe I should just do that. Where's place block? Dang it. There we go. Process block placement. Set tile. Erase current tile. I'm gonna add some debug statements in here. Actually, that one's okay. You know what? We won't debug this. This will just be hopefully fine. Wait, what did I do? Oh, that's what I did. This is a tad silly, but I'm gonna do it. Oh no. There we go. Oh, yeah, destroy, then that object, and then also generated tiles dot remove this guy. Boom, 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 boom. Alright. There we go. I think I got it. So that's for removing stuff. That's the hard bit. Adding stuff is fine. Oh gosh. Oh man. Okay, hold on. God. So, in the situation where we're replacing something, we want to remove it first, then replace it, basically. So maybe this logic belongs in its own... its own method here, so we can call it here. Out of here, fly. Screw off. I don't think that's what I called it. Oh, it is. Hey, look at that. Cool. So here, oops, if this already exists, update the type that way, but then also remove current tile, and then in both cases after that, we generate a new one using our lookup. Wait, no, not that. Oh, wait, that's not how that works. There we go. And then we set that at current position, which is going to be a vector 3 of current x, current Y and current Z. Why are you mad about that? Oh, wrong spot to put that in. Parent? Am I dumb? Is there not? Okay, you give it a game object. Yeah, vector 3 position. New vector 3. What's your fucking problem, man? Get prefab, okay. Why are you, what? That's just wrong. That's not an error. I refuse to believe that's actually an error. Unity, tell me that's an error. Can I convert from Unity vector 3 to transform? Why does this work in the level generator code I wrote then? The fuck? So we get a vector 3, right? There's our vector 3. Oh, I gotta give it the identity. Okay, yeah. That's why it's mad. It was missing rotation. There we go. Okay, so that'll add that. That's cool. And then we just need to add to our generated tiles. Every time they try to get me. And there we go. I think that's all we need. So yeah, generated tiles remove. Cool. I think that this will work, but we'll see. I just wrote a lot of code and didn't test anything, so hey, you know, now we test. Okay, our current tile is none, hitting Z. Oh. Where'd that done break? Inside erase current tile. If current... Oh wait, crap. This should have a better... Wait. What is null here? Hold on. Let's debug this. I'm a little confused, actually. Hello? Debugger? We might need to restart this, I guess. No, it's still working. Oh, here we go. Okay. What is actually null here? Oh, fuck. Wait. No, wait. Level data dot tile layout. Oh, crap-a-rooney. Okay, yeah, that's fair, I guess. We need to create that in the beginning up here when we initialize. That'll actually break everything if I don't have that, so... Boom, no errors. Good. Alright, put a floor 1 down. Fuck. Oh, I didn't give it the object. Yeah, that's 100% what that is. Okay, there we go. Now it'll know. It's like, I don't have a dictionary to look at. What are you doing, bro? Okay, now. Boom! Put the floor down, baby. Floor 1. Look at that. Look at that, chat. We have a level editor. This will break because there's no lookup for it. Yeah, look at that. Ooh. Anyway. Cool. Doesn't break that way. Let's see if we can delete stuff. Where's my none? Okay, it worked once. Now it's not working. What? What? There's no error. There's actually nothing going on here. Pretty sweet. Thanks. I am shocked that this is working as well as it is. but also, what fuck? What is happening now? Oh wait, no. Oh god. Alright, so it processed the Z. Current block type is none, so we go ahead and erase current tile. Tile data is just one. That's wrong. That's giga wrong. Okay. Well, there's our issue, chat. There's no data. Or it's like writing over itself in the data. Alright. Instead of erase current tile, when we add tiles, what am I doing wrong? It's gotta be in there somewhere, I would assume. Let's trace it through. The visuals work though, that's pretty cool, I guess. Oops. Okay. So, oh, not there. Here. Tile layout is 0 currently. Which is fine. Add to it. Now we've got 1. Okay. Maybe when I removed is when it blew up. This could be a different thing altogether. I also forgot a couple of controls while I was listing stuff. Oops. Oops. Now there's 2. Okay, maybe it is somewhere in the remove function. Let's back out a bit. Okay, we got a breakpoint in there too. That's good. Let's go ahead and add a couple more blocks. Yeah, I'm alternating them. What of it, chat? Checkerboard map. Tile layout. It's at 4. It's going to be at 5. That is good. That was the end of the video, by the way. Let's go. With the Mario RPG soundtrack. Anyway. Let us erase a block now. 5 tile layouts. 001, -1, 01, -2, 01, -2, 02, -1, 02. Oh, crap. I skipped over some stuff here. Fuck. Okay. It got blown up somewhere prior to this. Stack trace this up real quick. Oh no! It's a simple explanation, at least. It's deleting everything except for the current block that I'm trying to get out. So I want to like reverse this basically. I think that'll fix everything, actually. I'm not even gonna debug the code. I have full confidence that everything's working perfectly fine now. Oop. Wait a second. Oh no, it works. Yes, yes! Okay. I wasn't sure if replacements worked or not. Hey, I can delete stuff. Huzzah! And much rejoicing was had around the world. Chad, I think we just made a level editor. I'm gonna go further tonight, though. We're not like done or anything. We did that already, so I can safely say, yeah. Remove those to-dos. Okay, so now what do we need? We need... Oh, what do we need? What do we need? What do we need? Oh, crap. Oh, I need to add a thing to my UI for like, hey, here's how you switch your fucking commands or whatever. Quick chat. Pop quiz time. It's everyone's favorite RPG-based Mario character. Like this rendition of music. Oh, you ever heard the Mario RPG soundtrack? It's fucking brilliant. I love it. Ever heard of Mario RPG? Oh my god. It's in the golden age of Squaresoft. So good. It's not like the perfect RPG, but it's great. It's actually really fucking good. It's cute, it's like it's not afraid to have fun with its idea, like it's a solid game. For the record, I do like the Mario RPGs that came out past Mario RPG, but there's something magical about Mario RPG that just hasn't been recreated in anything past it. Like Paper Mario's great, so are most of the sequels, like whatever. You know what we should do now? We should make a player spawner so we can actually add the player spawn into the levels. Camera controls would probably be next after that, but maybe saving this data would be a good thing to do as well. Sorry, processing. Let's fly out of here. Fixing this, like, fuck heap of a UI might be a good idea too, I suppose. Did I spell that right? I did, okay. Let's make the player spawn, though. That's a good thing to do. We will just add... Delete that. Wrong folder. My god, why is it so slow? We'll just add a player spawn script on top of this. It's not gonna do anything right now, but that's okay. Actually, wait, it's gonna do one thing, and one thing only. Boop. Fucking hell. I think it's scene manager, but hold on. It's scene management. Scene management. Wait. Ah, fuck. Did I get bamboozled? Hold on, what's happening here? Oh, it's just scene.name. I'm so dumb. Wait, no, what the hell? Get active scene. There we go. Jesus fucking Christ. This is some top tier jank, chat. All ready for some fucking jank? What's going on in here? I'm making a level editor, you know, no big deal. Kind of the coolest guy ever at the end. Damn, okay. How you doing, Carly? We're gonna make this as fucking purple as my goddamn shirt. Goddamn missing texture. Your shirt is pink, okay? Go ahead and start a Twitter war. Reina, you've seen this shirt on me in person. You know this shirt is not pink. it's the end. I'm pretty sure it's pink. It's the fucking missing texture shirt. Like, I don't know if you're like trying to troll me right now, but it's working. Someone here is colorblind. That's pink. No. Don't be deceived, chat. Listen, we just leveled up in Mario RPG. For this music that's playing right now. Transparent reported to Twitch. I swear that's pink. The authorities will handle it. Oh, I'm sorry. Now we leveled up. What a good joke. Damn. Okay, so now we should actually be able to add player spawns. Dude, okay, I fucking made this editor, and I keep pressing F to try to place tiles. Maybe I should change it to F. You know? Eventually I'll need to make an ability to save these levels that we're editing. I'm also not colorblind. So... what now? I am. Fair enough. That happens. Wait, that's not how you make a Bomberman map. Good thing I had the ability to erase stuff. Boom, chat, look at that, it fucking works. I need to delete these extra things in here. Did you say it happens? I mean, it does, to be fair. A lot of, honestly, like, a large percentage of the population is colorblind, are they not? Am I stupid? Is that not how that is? Alright. About 25 people in your life is a statistic? Yeah, that seems like a lot. We've generated 59 tiles. That probably seems right. I could go count them, and I actually fucking will. Does this also have 59? Yes, it does. Okay, that's good. Those things are lined up properly, even after I deleted shit. Yeah. It's whatever. Shortest song ever. Did I make 50... Wait, was it 53 or 59? Fuck. Hold on. Hold on, we're gonna go see this via the game. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. I forgot this one. 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. That ain't right. That ain't right, chat. I got too many. 58, 59, 60, 61. Perhaps I miscounted. Let's do this instead. How much of this we got? Tell me how many objects I have selected. It does not. Also fair. It's a wide spectrum, I suppose. Alright, we'll count in the menu. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. It's really fucking hard to count while this music's playing. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59. Did I say 59? How many are we at? I'm fucking lost. What did this say? 59. Okay, we're right. I'm feeling stinky today. Fair. Alright. That lines up. I'm gonna call this fully functional and not question whether or not this actually is working correctly or not. Now we need to make a feedback loop, so we need to, I don't know how to do this. I know how to save a file, but I don't know how to, like, give a user a, like, file prompt of, like, hey, where do you want to save this shit? I was actually about to say something deeply inappropriate for the stream, because I'm high. Whoops. Whoops. Alright, chat, I need to think about stuff. You enjoy this fucking Monstro Town music while I go, figure out how to do this. So I don't know what the fuck I'm doing right now. DM me. I'm also gonna take a cough drop. I'm taking a quick break. I'll be right back. And then next up is saving the file, or saving the level that we've generated here, followed by loading it into the other scene, which that part shouldn't be as hard once I figure out this part, I think, hopefully. Be right back though, chat. Oh no, what has happened? Oh no, I'm out of channel points. Shit. I got you. Oh my god. You rapscallions. Did so many Megalovanias while you were gone. I can see that. Alright, people, it's our stream now. Yeah? Well, I just got one of the 7 stars, so what are you gonna do now? You know what? I'm swapping it right now. Lock placement is now F. Swap it now. I did. Because save level is gonna be Z. Oh, no, that means I support you. Thanks. This will be like the last thing here, I think. How is it doing this while I have the debugger running? Maybe next week we'll add like controller support to this, which will then complicate the UI further, but that's okay. It's fucking cough drop stuck in my teeth. Yeah, so we want to save the level. I need to go Google how to do a thing. And we are only a third of the way through the soundtrack, by the way. Let's go down to the Wine River is the name of this song. There's no wine in Mario RPG, by the way. That's not what I'm looking for. Oh, it's a plugin. Fuck. You know what? Actually, this person makes a really good point. What if instead we just use the persistent data path and we just have a folder for like custom level, and then we can customly display that when we're loading them elsewhere? Nice, I missed the answer. Wait, hold on. What soundtrack? The Super Mario RPG soundtrack. You said, man, I thought you said band. I just set up straight instinctive. God, sorry everyone, I'm still getting over this cold here. God damn it. Ill. Can't stop coughing. By the way, Tuesday, Shit. Tuesday we will be continuing our playthrough of all of the Haunted PS1 discs. We'll be playing, is it... What's up next? Chain? No, next up is the EEK3 Virtual Show Floor. That one might be short, actually. When we said Mantis over stop your coughing, would he just punch me in the chest or something? Yeah. Oh my god. He's gonna smooch you. Sad go music. Oh, that porter is fucking nasty. Maybe it's the cough medicine mixed with it, but I'm not a fan. You know what? It weirdly does blend with the margaritas I had earlier tonight. I hate that. This music or the fucking my other comments. Lean. Yeah, you hate wait, no. I had margaritas without you. I assume that's typo in what you meant to type, but... Oh god, was it path.join? No, that's not it. Path.combine. I was close. That was a typo, yes, as a treat. What a bop. It's a very cute part of the game, honestly. I love this tune. It's a part where a child is playing with dolls, and one of the dolls happens to be one of the protagonists of the game. Secretly. Which is also a unique character that has never shown up in anything beyond Mario RPG, sadly. Even though he's pretty fucking cool. Resistant data path. Custom levels. Number 16. I need to test this right the fuck now. I still don't understand what you're doing. That's fair. I'm not going to explain it either. I'm trying to save the level. So, like, I'm making a level creator, right? And now I'm trying to make a way that... Is it something I can make requests on? I don't know about that. I mean, I certainly appreciate input on this, but I don't promise that I'll do anything that anyone suggests. Actually, I suppose the full lore of what I just said is more that there's a spirit that takes over the doll that a child owns. Okay, good, this does work the way I hoped it did. Add a butt. Well, that's more around, like, adding the character in. Oh, right. If the directory does not exist, create the directory. Oops. Add 2 butts. Done. Done deal. We're gonna do this the most jank way possible. And I mean the most jank way possible for what it's worth. level name input, serialize that field, and then lastly, we combine that shit. Definitely what I meant to do right there. Okay, so we ignore this if no one put a level in. But then also we need to check if file.exists, the whole file path, debug.log error, cannot save level. Sorry. Super Mario RPG soundtrack is such a bop. Hell yeah. Honestly, this could just be a line. If it exists, throw an error. If not, save the file. We need to JSONify our data, but that's not a problem at all. We just take JSON convert dot serialize object level data. End of story. Oh, I need to tell it where to go. Which is first the path? Yeah, that makes sense. Here we go. Why are you not happy? Constance, what the fuck are you talking about? Oh, no, hold on. Write all text is what I meant to use. There we go. While we're at it, let's use none formatting, left beef. My DMs real quick. Every language needs a file.writeAllText. Such a good one. I agree. It's oh my god. You just gave me flashbacks to doing file IO in C++, and I'm very happy I'm not there right now. Don't get me wrong, I love C++, but goddamn. Actually, the only time I've ever blue screened my computer with code that I wrote was in C++. Your code was so shit it died, Lamau. You know Lamau. JK. I was writing a ray tracer, which probably sounds more impressive than it was because ray tracing's that like hot word of like, oh my god, it's so cool this game has ray tracing. It wasn't running in real time. And also it was a very small resolution that it would render the scene at. But it was technically a ray tracer. Wonder if I can compile that code still. I'm sure I have that somewhere. King. It was a very cool project, because we started at like basic stuff and then we kept building on it. It was like basically the entire course, basically. And then we had like a fully functional ray tracer that did not run in real time, but it was it was cool. I made a Wix site displaying it because we had to make a website to display our end project or whatever. This is when you're chasing beetles. This song plays. Is this super loud? Am I like... No, it's like kind of loud, but not too loud. Of course it's like that, but also I like to procrastinate. Yeah! They definitely didn't let you do that in this course because it was like... very much like, okay, this part is due at this time, this part's due at this time, so you couldn't just like slack. Because there was milestones in like what your engine could do. It was a computer graphics course for what it's worth. Cool, so now we just need a dialogue for this. Like I said, I'm doing this in the worst fucking way possible. And that's okay for now, I suppose. I hope this works correctly. I did the wrong text. Get that trash out of here. Oh, baby. How do I... There we go. This is the part when you're riding a minecart. Oh, shit. I don't know why that did that. So let's get rid of that horizontal layout. That's fine to get rid of that. Here we go, chat. Gonna need to click on screen for this shit. I forgot to name this. Level name input. Nice. Double the size of that. Actually, no. Make that like 50. Seems good. And make that text a little bit bigger. Point size, double it. 28, baby. Where's the placeholder text? Oh yeah, it's underneath. Placeholder. I think that's all I need. Oh god, the UI, it's so... You finally got more gamer points, and you blew them away immediately. Why did I do that? I need a whole other type of thing for this. Perfection. Hold on, we need to steal that from another fucking thing. .178 alpha. Oh, hold on. I forgot to update the other fucking thing. Controls explanation. Can I also just say right now, chat, that I really appreciate that y'all fucking love the demo disc shit that I've been playing. Because I was watching someone play through the first demo disc, and their chat fucking tore it apart. Granted, it was like a big streamer, but like, oh my god. I felt bad. Good, now you literally can't see fucking anything aside from the UI. Good level editor, Goon. Let's try to make a level and see if it fucking works. Then we'll work on loading it, I guess. Or maybe I won't. Maybe I'll just end stream after that. I don't know. It's getting late. Hey, point is, I really appreciate that y'all like taking that trip down to, indie demo game showcase, I guess, for lack of a better term. I know I'm just making the same fucking thing I already made, but whatever. It's like the most succinct Bomberman layout I've ever made. You know, as one does. Object not set to a reference of an object. Damn it, I forgot to set the thing. Level name input is this guy. I was expecting an error, but not that error. Alright, we're making a new level this time. I was gonna draw a dick, but I can't actually with the way I've laid this out. Also, you won't see any of these tiles, or most of them at least. Oops. Wait, no, breakable wall here. No, wait, don't put that there. Nothing goes there. Also, yes, that just happened for those was wondering. It's all part of Mario RPG. No level name given! That's what I was looking for, okay. We're gonna call this level PP World. I should have made a success message. Oops. Oops, chat. Hold on. Let's go see if it made the fucking file or not. Oh no. Oh no, chat. I didn't set this project up properly, so it's gonna be inside default company. Alright, there we go. Level editor attempt, custom levels, PP World, let's go! I got him, chat. Look, chat, there's the data! We have the fucking data! Fucking got him. Nice data, thanks. Alright, we're gonna load this data. We'll do this and then we'll call it, I think. But also let me fix the project name. Or at least my company name. It's definitely, absolutely a real fucking company name. Nice. There's like endless flies in this room, my god. Caught that guy too, though, actually. Not to toot my own horn. So we're absolutely gonna cheat here. Sample scene. Instead of fake level data, we're gonna go ahead and cheat load level data. Fake level data get disabled. Wait, where is this script? Debug. Where did I put this? It's under assets. Okay, that really shouldn't be there. Hold on. Go in my scripts folder at least, please. Alright, let's go with debug load static level data. And then we'll edit the script right quick. We're gonna use the same cheat pattern I used previously. Which is horrible, don't ever do this. Am I fucking dumb? It's not join path. Oh my god. I need to go look at my other thing. It isn't. Combine path. It's fucking combine path, I remembered. Or just path.combine, I guess. Application.persistent data path. Maybe I should put this in a common spot, but whatever. Custom levels. And then we're gonna go ahead and we'll just load in PP world. Actually, you know what? Hold on. I need to, I don't need to do this, but I'm going to do it. That'll just be PP world, but, in reality, PP Island where I'm always smiling. I think that works, right? Let's check, right? I don't see why this wouldn't work. Hey, look at that. It's a fucking file dialog again. Nope, that ain't right. Okay, alright, we'll just do it this way then. Okay. There we go. Yeah. Cool. Forgot about that song. Could never. This is fair. So we read all the text, and then we go ahead and... There's gonna be like 10 million more steps to this around validation, but this is not the proper loader, this is just some bullshit I'm putting together, so... You know? Then we deserialize it into... Son of a bitch. Into our data. And then... we find object of type. Level generator. Very quick and dirty. And then we tell it to generate our level based on our data. And this should work. This should absolutely fucking work. Also, I'd just like to point out there's a thing inside level generator that appears to be public. That shouldn't be. There we go. Just realized that now somehow. Alright, so we got our sample scene. This should load the scene that we just made. Okay, I think it's there, but let me check. Gotta check this way. Oh my god. Why is it lagging? I don't know what's up with that. Yep, that appears to be the level we made. Is it spamming an error message? Is that why it's lagging? Yeah, it sure is. Oh, shit. Can't stop it, chat. Did I not set that on the prefab? I don't know how I did that, but hey, whatever, fuck it. Look at that, now it's not lagging. Also, I'm in the fucking prefab view again somehow. Ta-da! Look at that. No errors being spammed. No, it is lagging. Why is it fucking lagging? Oh, it's because it's regenerating the code over and over. Oh my god. Oh my god, chat. It's running this every single fucking frame. Good, I'm stopping you. Boom. Now there's no lag. Ta-da. Alright. We saved a level and we loaded it in. It's not playable because we don't have the code for like actually playing the game, but when I fix my other computer, I'm gonna pull this code in and then bam, we'll have a level editor for our game. And like I said, I know this isn't network based, but the way I want to do it is we pass the file off to the other players and then locally each client generates the level. Are you making a game? I would never. But yeah, so like, these things are just like general prefabs in the game, so they can have whatever behavior I want to give them, and now I have a scene where I can go generate that shit. I'd call that done. We made a level generator. Now, there's a lot to be desired and a lot to polish up here, which I will if I ever finish this project. But that might actually be next week's project, is like, hey, let's go make this not shit. Because, like, obviously, this is not the experience you want when using a level generator. Like, it's fucking... This is so dumb and, like, intrusive and every other possible problem you could have here. But, yeah, no, I think I got done more than I was expecting to tonight, honestly. So, I'm gonna leave it at that. But, yeah, like I said, we will probably pick up this project next Sunday. Sundays are my game dev days. But, in between, I'll do some more streams, as usual. Man, we got a lot of stuff to do. We got, so... I usually play games during the week, which is usually Tuesday, Thursday. Actually, next Sunday, I'm not sure exactly if I'll stick to schedule. I have a family thing I gotta go to. Goon night. Good night, Magoon. Night to y'all as well. But, yeah, just heads up on what's going on schedule-wise. There's that Mario ROM hack, which we did a third of last night, which was pretty cool. I would like to finish that. There is the N64 game that we're currently playing in our marathon, Rocket Robot on Wheels, also a fun game. And then there's also, I'm playing through all of the Haunted PS1 collections, which, those three, the next one that's up, it could either be very long or very short, I'm not really sure. So we're gonna play that and then figure out what we do after we finish it. If it takes the whole stream, then that's the stream. If it ends up being short, maybe we'll go play more of that ROM hack. Maybe we'll play some N64. I'm not really sure which. But that's what the forecast is for next week. But regardless, I'm out of here for now. We will work on this project again more, I promise. I'm gonna upload... Oh, also, sorry. I should have led with this. I'm gonna upload the source code for this. It's gonna be a standalone project, so it's gonna be a little jank, but If anyone wants to see any of the stuff I wrote or load the project in themselves, it'll be up on my GitHub. It's not there right now, but there's a link to it if you guys want to follow or whatever. Follow. There's no follow on GitHub. There it is. I'll put it in the description of this VOD as well, if anyone's watching on YouTube. And yeah, I hope I can make something out of this in the long term and actually get a cohesive project together. Come hell or high water, we will eventually start working on the actual main project and get this code put in there, I promise. But yeah, today, you know, I just wanted to hack at something and it worked apparently, so that's pretty cool. Yeah, that's all I got, everybody. Have yourselves a wonderful night. I'll see you later.